Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you the process behind this. In this video, I'll be walking you through the steps I took to achieve this look. Let's start with the foundation. I began by lightly sketching the outline of the face, using simple geometric shapes. The key here is to keep your lines soft and light, because you'll be refining them later. The proportions of the face are crucial, so take your time getting them right before diving into the details. Next, I focused on the facial features, starting with the eyes. Eyes are often the focal point of any portrait, so it's important to pay attention to the details here, like the shape of the iris and reflections in the eye to give them life. Then, I carefully added the nose and lips, making sure the proportions stay in harmony with the overall face. Now comes one of my favorite parts, shading. Shading helps bring dimension to the drawing and makes it look more realistic. I started with the lighter areas and gradually built up the darker tones. For this, I used a blending technique to smooth out the skin tones and add depth to areas like the cheeks and jawline. After the face, I moved on to the hair. Drawing hair might seem overwhelming at first, but breaking it down into sections makes it much easier. Start with the general shape, and then layer in strands of hair. Remember to vary the pressure on your pencil to create both darker and lighter areas, giving the hair texture and volume. For the final touches, I went back and refined the shading, adding subtle highlights to areas like the nose, lips, and eyes, giving the portrait that final pop of realism. Little adjustments like this can make a big difference in how finished your drawing looks. And there you have it, a complete pencil portrait. I hope this video inspired you to pick up a pencil and start sketching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more art tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to draw next.